Only genius students can answer all 20 science questions correctly. Are you ready to test your brain? Let's see how many answers you can get right before the timer ends. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. Answer B. Mars. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. What is the chemical formula of water? A. CO2. B. H2O. O2. Answer B. H2O. Which part of the human body pumps blood? A. Brain. B. Liver. C. Heart. Answer C. Heart. Which planet is the largest in the solar system? A. Earth. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. Answer C. Jupiter. Which vitamin is mainly obtained from sunlight? A. Vitamin A, B, vitamin C, C, vitamin D. Answer C. Vitamin D. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. What force pulls objects toward Earth? A. Magnetism. B. Gravity. C. Friction. Answer B. Gravity. Which organ helps humans breathe? A. Kidney. B. Lungs. C. Stomach. Answer B. Lungs. What is the boiling point of water? A. 90 degrees Celsius. B. 100 degrees Celsius. C. 120 degrees Celsius. Answer B. 100 degrees Celsius. Which animal is known as the largest mammal? A. Elephant. B. Blue whale. C. Giraffe. Answer B. Blue whale. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. Answer C. Nitrogen. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Earth. Answer A. Mercury. What do bees collect from flowers? A. Milk. B. Nectar. C. Water. Answer B. Nectar. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Mercury. B. Iron. C. Copper. Answer A. Mercury. What is the center of an atom called? A. Electron. B. Nucleus. C. Proton. Answer B. Nucleus. Which blood group is called the universal donor? A. O negative B. A. B positive C. A positive. Answer A. O negative. Which instrument is used to measure temperature? A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Speedometer. Answer B. Thermometer. Which planet has rings around it? A. Mars. B. Saturn. C. Venus. Answer B. Saturn. What is the hardest natural substance? A. Gold. B. Iron. C. Diamond. Answer C. Diamond. Which scientist discovered gravity? A. Albert Einstein. B. Isaac Newton. C. Answer B. Isaac Newton.